The journey's long and heavy, but we are not alone. Lost seed in distant nations, now finding our way home. The tribes awaken, the signs are clear and true. Under the rod of Moses, we'll march on through. We carry the mark. In unity we'll rise, no more goodbyes. We are unbroken, hearts of fire, unshaken. Across the rivers and lands we march with lifted hands, no longer scattered. Our voices ring as one. Still burns within. Through the storms and shadows, we rise and stand again, bound by an ancient promise.